ultimate VFFS packaging solution using polyethylene and laminated film to package fresh and frozen foods. Made in anti-corrosive solid stainless steel with an ingress protection IP65 NEMA 4. The TNA Arctic 3 meets stringent sanitary requirements, handles wet washdown cleaning, and is suitable for both wet and cold environments. Special software that holds preset recipes is included, bringing simplicity and flexibility to your packaging process. The durable electrical cabinet is inclined and separated from the main unit, allowing easy access to clean equipment and flooring. An optional top cover prevents food particles and water from dripping onto the equipment when a multi-head weigher is installed above. The TNA Arctic 3 enhances operator experience with a 38cm 1024 pixel touchscreen. To maximise your KPIs, the TNA Arctic 3 will have TNA's IntelliSys software, which provides greater functionality and ease of operation. TNA's Arctic 3 shares common motors and controls with our row bag packaging equipment and TNA row flow distribution equipment. It also easily integrates with TNA's multi-head weighers for a complete packaging system. The TNA Arctic 3 offers many options of sealing, meeting all of your fresh and frozen requirements. Easily choose between PE or laminated film in a constant or impulse heat sealing mode. For packaging with low-density PE types of film for applications, such as French fries, simply change out the jaws for the impulse heat sealing. Impulse heat sealing heats up faster and offers more control over cooling. Quick and toolless changeovers allow you to easily switch from application to application and from bag type to bag type. Choose between multiple types and sizes of bags, from pillow to square bottom and more. If you want the ultimate fresh and frozen foods packaging system that is designed for easy cleaning, get the TNA Arctic 3. Talk to us today.